Hey guys, it's the Dark Assassin, and I'm back with my third video, and this is gonna show you guys some of the things that I've made on my server, my survival server. And yeah, that entrance has to remain a secret for some of my friends. Only me and one of my other friends know about that one. Anyways, yeah, it goes back here to a system of tracks. You might wonder, what are these for, you might ask. That really didn't make sense. But you might be wondering, what is this for? Well, what it's for is this. What? Keep going. Wait, that wasn't on the right track, was it? Ah, nuts. Where's something I can build up with? I have absolutely nothing I can build up with. Oh, that's just brilliant. Ah, nuts, 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 nuts. And of course I'm down here. Not this level. It's really dark. Dark. My mom is calling again. Anyways, you saw those hopper carts. That is the product of serious stuff to make a survival. Not survival. Well, it's in survival, but it's not survival. Just to make a system that is very helpful to me and my friend. Oh! That wasn't necessarily supposed to be on that track, was it? I don't think so. Anyways. Yeah, me and my friend made one of those systems that I kept talking about on the first two of my YouTube vids. And I was talking about trenches of smelting and systems of things that take your items and put them somewhere protected and safe underwater. Well, that's at least the case for me. Also, the smelting room's under the ground, under the water. And it's also camouflaged and protected by my friend's creative antics of bedrock. But yeah, I'll go see if I can find it under the water. This is really slow. I need to fix that later on. Oh, here we go. We're going a little faster now. Brilliant. Come on. Now we're going slow again. I don't like going slow. Going slow is bad. It's like Comcast DSL. Anyways, we'll go up here. This way, and we'll look for the area of water where I put everything. It's obviously not this body of water. For some reason I forgot which body of water it's in. Which area of water? Might be over here. Oh, it's over here. Anyways, as you can see, that mound, if you can see it, depending on what brightness setting your computer is on, is where the smelting room is camouflaged. And as you can see over here, with all the activity inside, that is the storage room. Anyways. Yep. Okay, I'm here. Basically, it leads all the way over to the furnace room that I was just in. And since I have aqua affinity, I can just keep going underwater and stuff. I'm gonna have to mark that somehow. But yeah. So that's basically my system, where it takes the things into a protected room under the water so nobody can find it. And so far, only me and my friend, which are the two people who built it, me and my friend, well, we're the only people who know about it. And anyways, I was also thinking about, well, great. I fell into the jail that I made. It was brilliant. Just brilliant. Oops. Quite dark in there. Anyways, that's for people that I'm having troubles with on my server. And yeah, I was also thinking about inviting some people who watch my videos onto the server. So far I only have about 6 people whitelisted on here. Almost fell into the jail pit again. But I was thinking about inviting some people on the server so they could play some survival. We give them some stuff to survive or whatever. Unless they want to work with someone. I already have someone working with me. So yeah. Anyways, I was also thinking about inviting people onto the server so we can make videos. Sure. Funny videos. But yeah. Anyways, I think I'm running out of time for this recording, for this video. So yeah. See you guys in the next video. Wow, I suck at that. Let's try that again. See you guys in the next video.